Okay, it's Miss Alana here, and we are going to continue working on our Wednesday math sheet. Let's look at number 4. All right, number 4 says, is the number of shapes shown even or odd? Okay, now I don't think some of you are reading directions, okay? This question is asking us to do what? To write if it's even or odd. Okay? So we're not writing number sentences, addition sentences. We are going to just figure out if the set is odd or even. All right, so 2 ways we can do that. The first way is to use the picture and do what? Partner them up. Okay, we're going to partner up the squares by partner. Okay, let's see. Oh, partner right here. You're my partner. You are my partner. You are my partner. Oh, you're my partner. Hey, I don't have a partner. So what does that mean when there's one left over without a partner? Would that make this set odd or even? It's odd. See, odd one out. So that, write it odd. O-D-D. Now, the second strategy to figure out if a number is odd or even is to count how many we have. So let's count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, count it again. Count the top row first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's a 9. Is 9 odd or even? Okay, so remember, what numbers are even? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and anything else that has a 2 in the ones place, a 4 in the ones place, a 6 in the ones place, an 8 in the ones place, and a 0 in the ones place. So for example, if I had 78, well, I don't have to draw 78 shapes. I can just think 78, the ones is an 8, so that makes it even. If I had a number 105, now 105, what number is the ones place? 5. Is that on our list for even numbers? No. So that's an easy way, an easy trick that you can figure out if a number is odd or even when you're looking at bigger numbers. Okay? Are we ready to do number 5? All right, let's look at number 5. Number 5 says, which describes the shaded amount. Now, I hope it copied clearly on your paper that that side is shaded and that side is shaded. Okay? So close it up. Okay. So the top and the bottom part is shaded. So here, let's write a what? A fraction. So when we're writing fractions, I have to name the part and the whole. So what's the part? That means how many parts are shaded? 2 parts. And the number at the bottom, the denominator, remember that's the numerator. And then at the bottom is a denominator. Let me write that down. That's a numerator. And that tells you the part. And the bottom number is the denominator. Denominator. And that shows you the whole. So how many parts, well, how many pieces do we have for the whole thing? Oh, look right there, how many? 2. So we have 2 out of 2. Now, is that the same thing as 2/4, 1/2, or 2 halves? 2 halves. Because remember, half is just that one side when we have 2 parts. But since both are shaded, we have 2 halves. And sometimes we can call this 1 whole because the whole thing is shaded. Whole. Okay, let's look at number 6. Number 6 says, read it with me. If you have 3 $10 bills, 3 $5 bills, and 1 $1 bill, Oops, didn't mean to do that. How many dollars do you have? Okay, let's read it. And let's do what? Circle our important facts. If you have 3 $10 bills, and what else? 3 $5 bills, and what else do we have? And 1 $1 bill. So let's draw our bills. Oh, we have a lot of money. Let's see, we have how many $10? We have 3 of those. I'm going to draw 1 $10 bill, 2 $10 bills, 3 $10 bills. So there's my 3 $10 bills. Now I have to draw 3 $5 bills. Okay, so draw that. There's a 5. Another 5. How many do we need? 3. And a 5. Now, what else do we need to draw? A $1 bill. How many of those do we need? Just 1. Okay. Now, what do you notice? This problem does not have any what? No coins, no change. So all we have to do is count the dollars. All right, so let's start here. 10, 10, and 10. What's that? 10, 20, 30. And then 5 would be 35. And then 5 more would make it 40. And then 5 more would make it 45. And then 1 more is 46. Okay, that's one way to count. Or we can count another way. We can do 10, 20, 30. So I know that's 30. 5 and 5 is 10. So 30 and that 10 would make it 40. And then 45, 46. So there's another way. Or we can count by separate bills. We can do 3 10s. That's what? 30. 3 5s is what? 15. So we have 30, 15, and then 1. 30 plus 15 is 45 plus 1 is what? 46. I'm going to write $46 just like that with a dollar sign. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can draw it with cents. How many cents do we have? $46. Okay, so either way. Or if you want to write $46, that's fine too. $46. Okay, all right, so I am going to stop right here for part 2 of this video. So we did number 4, number 5, and number 6. Look at the next video for the rest of the problems.